Reassemble the Shinai. First, put the sakigamu back in place, and place the sakiga on the tip. Then, thread the tsuru through each loop one by one, just like in the video. Pull the tsuru firmly to create tension. Next, wrap the tsuru around the loops of the tsukugawa. Attach the nakayui about 1/4 of the way along the shinai. Then, tie the nakayui firmly and wrap it from the bottom to the top. Pass the end of the nakayui through the loop you made earlier and repeat the step. Cut off the extra part with scissors.